All right, today we are doing long division, which only means to me that this part, the divisor, is a bit longer than the other ones. The process is exactly the same, so this is a very good practice for those of you that maybe didn't take to it so well the first time. So you need to put these in order, just like you did the dividend. So x squared goes first because it's the highest degree, and then you work down from there. Then we have this one. You have to put the highest degree first for this one and make sure there's no missing. This one doesn't have any missing. This is degree is 4, degree is 3, 2, 1, 0. So you're not actually missing any, so no zeros are needed. Okay, so just write this in, 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 6x minus 4. And the process is the same. You take the first one, divide it by the first one, and so you would get 3x squared in this case. So you are dividing by x squared, so we're doing 3x to the 4th minus x squared, so you would get 3x squared. So that's how I got that number. And you take that 3x squared and you have to multiply it by all three of these. 3x squared times x squared is 3x to the 4th. 3x squared times 2x is 6x positive 6x cubed. And 3x squared times negative 1 is negative 3x squared. Draw the line, change the signs, and combine. So what just happened here? So sorry, my bad. This one, I don't know why I put a plus sign here. It's not changing. So let's just change the color here. This should be a minus. This should be a minus. And this should be a plus. So we're good. I don't quite know where that came from. Anyway, so this one cancels out. It's always a good check, those things like that. All right, so we combine. You get negative 2x cubed minus 3x squared. Okay, now the thing with this one, you have 3 terms here. So you need to have 3 terms here. So I bring down the 6x, and here's my 3 terms. So same deal, I divide negative 2x cubed times divided by x squared, so I get negative 2x. So that combined is negative 2x multiplied. I multiply this one times this one, negative 2x times 2x, and I get negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times negative 1, I get a positive 2x. Draw the line, change the signs, and combine. So this is 0. This one is 1x squared. I mean, you can put the 1 there if it makes you feel good. And then, but you don't have to. And then this would be positive 4x. Again, I need 3 terms, so bring down the 4. X squared divided by x is 1. So then we just multiply. This is going to, well, since I'm multiplying by 1, I'm just getting that. Draw the line, change the signs, and combine. Yes, looking good. That cancels out. I'm left with 2x minus 3. Okay, and since these guys don't have, I don't have 3 terms, and I don't have another term that I can draw from up here, I'm done. I know it's weird that there's 2 terms left, but that's just the way it is. Because I need 3 to divide. This one only has 2, so 2x minus 3 is the remainder. So then the answer is, take it off the line, got to bring it down here, minus 2x plus 1. And then the remainder plus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 1. Doesn't look simplified, but it's not. That's just the long division piece. Okay, so I'm going to do this one more time. I'll try to do it a little quicker. But yeah, follow along for fun. You're welcome to try this one first and then watch it unfold before your eyes when I do it. I have problems. Minus x minus 1. Okay, and when we put this down, x to the 5th, there's no x to the 4th. Oh, there it is, minus x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 2x squared. There's no x, so I have to put 0x and then the 3. Okay, so I did 5, 4, 3, 2, no 1. So I put that one here, and then there we go. Now the process is the same. X to the 5th divided by x squared is x to the 3rd. You can put it anywhere on the top. It really doesn't matter. X to the 5th minus x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd. Draw the line, change. Why do I keep putting a plus sign there? Like, I feel like I've gone crazy. Change the sign. It was positive. I make it a negative. These two were negative. I make them positive. So this one cancels out. This one cancels out. And I'm just left with negative 1x cubed. Now I need 3. So that means I have to bring down 2 here. 2x squared plus 0x. Now if the 0 was first, then I would bring another extra one down. But this negative 1 is first, so we're good. So negative x cubed divided by x squared up here gives me just x. But it's minus x because that's a negative. So negative x. So x times x squared, that's negative x cubed, plus x squared plus x. So that's what happened when I multiplied negative x. And now when I draw the line, I change the sign. This becomes a plus, this one's a minus, this one's a minus. Just a lot of signs going on, so you do have to be a little wary of that. Combine here, so I get x squared minus x plus 3 when I bring these down. Remember, there's a 1 here. Then you do x squared divided by x. This one divided by, or x squared divided by x squared. I get 1. X squared minus x minus 1. Change the signs. This cancels, and I'm just left with 4. So when sometimes you are just left with a single one, but the process is the same. Bring the answer off the line, and then add the remainder divided by. All right, have a great day. Hope it's super fun.